Today we're doing Koch Chemie Edition wash. Today we're going to start with Koch Chemie Active Foam. It's a pH of 9.5. There's some decent dirt and debris on this, so we'll hit it with this first. Contact wash with GFX, which is their GSF version of Gentle Snow Foam, which is like Christmas scented, so it's really nice. Also a little bit higher pH of an 8. Finish with S0O3, give it a little bit of hydrophobic properties at the end. The wheels, I'm going to hit it with Koch Chemie AWH, which is killer. I'll show you this. It's really nice. Plastar, tried and true PSS on the tires. Drying aid, I have QS Quick and Shine from Koch Chemie. This is actually really underrated quick detailer, and I don't believe it has any protection. It's just like silicone based, but it's pretty nice. So I enjoy that. KCX glass cleaner here. So with that said, we'll get into it, and I'll show you the wheels. Oh yeah, immediate browning on this. Guys, this AWH is truly slept on. Highly recommend that. It's the Rag Company wheel mitt. I like this one. I've been playing with a few other ones. Pretty good. I like it because it fits over your whole hand, which is nice. So, I'm a fan. And you can kind of see that? You can get kind of in those nooks with it, which the brush might miss. Yeah, this wheel cleaner, guys, is something special. All right, guys, I have 700 mLs here. There's just maybe an ounce of Koch Chemie Active Foam, so we're gonna let this dwell on the surface, and then we'll rinse it off, go into our bucket wash. our contact wash, I'm going to use GFX straight with this is actually the teal metering tip for the Grios. We're going to foam this on first. I already have it in the bucket. We'll just add some more lubrication. Because this is a black car, really sensitive paint, I'm using this new Purist wash pad. Super, super plush, really nice. I'll link to it below if you can get it at Car Supply's warehouse. Really nice there. There's already scratching and marring on here. He needs a new correction and a new coating on it anyways, but you know, we don't want to introduce more. So I'm going to quickly lay this on for extra lubrication and then go into my wash. I'm just getting some extra lubrication on there. So this is the GFX in the bucket. What did I put on here? Oh, I think last time I topped this with Armor Detail Supply Amplify. It's been about a month since he's been back, but still really, really slick. So I like that. If you didn't catch my other video, oh, actually I might not have published it. So his coating is failing on this in a lot of different spots. I'll publish that soon, or it may already be published by the time you're watching this. His coating is failing. He supposedly had he told me it was I think he said it was like a 3-step polish and some sort of coating. I want to say he told me a 3-year coating, but he got it done in January and I'm in December of 2024 right now. And it's already failing, and I've already done we've already tried to do a decon wash on it, and I could not bring it back. So I'm just going to properly coat it for him. We'll see how nice he wants to go. I might go pro only, or we'll just see what's in his budget. If he goes pro only, I'll probably use C6 Hydro. Some of you have asked me why I still use a 2-bucket method. You know, it's just personal preference. It's kind of how I was taught, and I'm open to changing. Like, I understand the value in, or not the value, I should say, but I understand the concept behind using 1 bucket, right? Like, we pre-foamed right there, we rinsed. So in theory, most of the contaminants should be off the paint. So I'd be probably pretty safe to just go back in for a single bucket wash right now. But I don't know, it's just kind of how I was taught, and I like it, you know. Doesn't really bother me. Doesn't add a ton of steps. It takes about 2 seconds to rinse that off in the rinse bucket, and then just back at it. So to each their own, guys. There's not one way to wash. A lot of you keyboard warriors want to come in and tell everyone they're wrong and how they're doing things. There's many, many ways to do things, guys. Many, many ways. So it is what it is. We're going in straight lines. Hit our bottom panels. We're going to go back to the bucket against our grit guard just in case. All right, guys, we are going in with our Koch S0O3. Okay, I'm telling you, do not over apply it or you're gonna get streaking. I have maybe 12 ml in a 700 milliliter foam cannon. That is all you need. I promise you, we have a tendency to overused product. We think more is better. It's going to give us more protection, but you're just going to be left with streaking. You know, soaps are fine, right? If you want to over apply and just get crazy foamy, but these spray-on sealants, I promise you, just use the manufacturer's recommended amount. And it's not going to be super foamy. I know it's called hydro foam, but it's just going to be more runny. We're going in for our drying aid. This is the Koch Chemie Quick Shine. It's nice. It's I think it just has a little bit of silicone in it, so it just acts as a nice drying aid. Slickens everything up. Pretty good. I like it. These towels do better than microwave, do better once they're a little wet. So a good way actually to start is on the windshield. Get it kind of primed. There we go. Yeah, it smells good. Really, really slick. Yeah, pretty good stuff. Yep, so just a quick mist, just to act as our drying aid, right? You don't need to over apply it, just like everything in life. Just adds a little more slickness, a little more lubrication under your towel. It's a nice product. And it's not, you know, if you're not looking for any, if you're looking for a product with no protection, right? I mean, I would say super minimal, right? If any, because it's silicone based, it's not SiO2 based. You know, that's why I keep QS around, because obviously the SiO2 ones are great, but you know, they'll mask your coating, right? Like if you don't want to use one with protection in it, this is super minimal, and I'm sure would only last maybe a week or so, or 2 weeks, or until the next time you kind of wash your car. Koch Chemie Plastar. This is a pretty versatile product. Koch has come out with a lot of like tire shines. They have Hydroplast Care coming out, and then they also have tire glaze. I like Plastar. It's kind of the tried and true. I think it's pretty good. So use what you like. This will knock down. Also, it's obviously shiny upon application, but that'll cool off. Yeah. Man, I haven't used this in a while. It's really good. All right, let me know if you guys have tried Plastar. Drop it in the comments below. What's your favorite tire shine? I have been loving, just for regular, I'm not talking long-term sealants, so I've been loving Armor Detail Supply Tire Plus. I've also been loving Nazi All Detailer Shine is a really good one, but this is also solid. I always forget about it just because there's so many products in the cabinet to get through. So it's nice to kind of rotate and kind of go back to the old tried and true now and again. So, all right, guys, that's Plastar. I was looking for and testing glass cleaners. Koch Chemie glass cleaner, guys. It's really good. Yeah. Good flash. Yeah, super underrated glass cleaner. I think people are just quick to look for the best new thing. I'm just as guilty of it, but also I make content on YouTube, so I'm always trying new products. But yeah, this glass cleaner is really good. I recommend it if you're in the market or if you want to stay within a brand. Really solid, guys, and it smells good too. So for some, the built amber is a little too strong, and I catch that sometimes too, like certain whiffs of it can be strong if you're working inside, and KCX is a little bit more toned down. It's still that kind of same like berry scent, but it's pretty good. I don't mind it at all. All right, guys, that's your KCX wash edition. All right, guys, thanks for joining today. Just wanted to do kind of a KCX edition. Drop it in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite Koch Chemie product is. For me, I think it's GSF or GFX, and then the alkali wheel cleaner is really hard to beat. So drop it in the comments. If you're still watching, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.